How to convert your images to PDF. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can convert your images into PDF very easily. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert JPG image to PDF, first of all open your Google and here search for I love PDF. And here you can see first website, click on it. And here just scroll down. And here you can see JPG to PDF, click on it and select JPG images, click on it, and from here you can select your images that you want to make to PDF. For example, I select these two images and just click on OK. And now these three images would be converted to PDF, so click on convert to PDF and download PDF. And you can see I have successfully changed my three images to PDF, you can see here. So guys, in this way you can change your JPG images to PDF. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.